Hello, I've come to this 3-bedroom cottage halfway between Abersoch and Aberdaron on the Llyn Peninsula.
She's a shadow to me, a silhouette of beauty in a face that I still can't see.
So we've got 3 bedrooms in this one, 2 twin rooms and 1 double room. One of the twin rooms is on the ground floor and there's an ensuite wet room, so ideally if you've got any mobility problems, I guess. Downstairs there's a lovely open plan kitchen diner and a really nice comfortable lounge. The location's fantastic. I think, as I say, we're about 10 minutes from Abersoch and about 15 minutes away from Aberdaron, so a great place for a summer holiday. Plenty of beaches all around us here, and we're surrounded by fields of sheep. Lots going on the farm. I think you'll like it. Let's go have a look inside. Bye.
When you know, you just know. But that ain't happened for me yet. And sometimes I wonder if I may have missed it. In time will show, but time moves slow. How long will you make me wait till I see your face? How long till that sacred day when I finally know your name? I never thought it would be true, that I would still be looking for my girl, but I'm still looking for you. In all my lonely